Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to import data from your Excel file into Power BI. When you open your Power BI desktop, you're going to have this view right here. Under the Home tab, you can click Get Data. There's a little down button right here. And then it shows you the common data sources. The first one is Excel Workbook, which is where I have my data stored. And I'm going to click that and go into the folder that I have my data set in, which in my case is going to be here. And I'm going to double click the data set I want to import in here. As you can see, we now have this navigator screen that's popping up that's showing us the number of sheets that are in my data set. I'm going to go ahead and select the sheet I want to import, which in my case is just sheet 1, and it will allow you to preview your data set here. And then I'm going to load. Give it a second for that to apply and allow the model to load. So as you can see now on the right side, you have this field that shows your sheet. But I'm going to go click on the data portion right here, this little block on the very left, to also look at my data set. So now I can see my data set has been loaded. If you want to, you can also click this transform data on the top to go into your data set to make any changes. In my case, it looks like I have my headers as my first column, so my data set actually looks pretty good and clean. But if you ever need to change anything, this would be the place to do it. So, in a case you need to use your first rows as headers, you could do that. You could also change the kind of data set that you have. So if I click, let's say, house number, and I want to transform that and format that to a different kind of format, I could do that here. Like I said, in my case, I'm good, so I would just close and apply, and there you go. You have your data set into your Power BI file.